can you raise your hand up? Can you say Atiku Abubakar? Can you say Atiku Okowa? Your Excellency, the governor of Akwa Ibom State, other governors present, let me go straight to our own candidate, the former Vice President of Nigeria and the incoming President of Federal Republic of Nigeria, Atiku Abubakar. Let me recognize the incoming Vice President of Nigeria, His Excellency Uche Ekwunife, Nigeria. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. I want to say that Nigeria is a big and complex country. For you to be a president of this country, you must be someone that understands the economy of this great nation, someone that understands all sectors of Nigeria, someone that understands the diversity, someone that understands the complications, someone that truly knows what this country is all about. Today, we are trying to make a choice. We are trying to make a choice of someone that can take this country to prosperity, someone that can take us from being a consumption country to a production country, someone that will address all the issues we have, from security to economy to education to infrastructure to women empowerment to youth empowerment, everything. And I believe we have the total package in Atiku Okowa presidential tickets. Nigerians, we don't want a kindergarten president. We want a strong president. We want a president that can address the issues. I want to tell you something. If somebody comes to sell himself as the candidate, tell that person to tell us solution. People should stop telling us the problems that we already know. We know we have problems in Nigeria, how to address this country. Therefore, we need a president that will come with solution. And I believe that Atiku has the solution to Nigeria problems. PDP, ebe kaige binyaka, ebe selombrella, ebe kaige binyaka, ebe selombrella.